It is a club, Thirsty Nation. While you're waiting in line, you whip out your OpenSea account, click on your Thirst NFT, say maybe this one, the April O'Neil from the Downtown #1 collection, which is where I'm at, our first ever store, gold rarity. You're coming, it's a Saturday, you're not only getting a free April O'Neil, you get that every time, up to 44 ounces, but you're getting 25% off everything else you get because you're a gold member. That means the weekend feature you get, the cookies you get, all the other drinks you get for all your buddies in the car. Anything, 25% off. You guys, it's a game changer. But it's more than that. It's more than that. You're part of the Thirst NFT Club, you guys. An exclusive channel in Discord where we're giving you guys exclusive access to all kinds of stuff, like merch, like discounts, like early access, like taste testings, like being part of building this business. You guys, it's insane, and I'm so stoked about it. Thirst NFTs they're live, they're rolling, they're back ready to go. We had a couple bumps in the road, but we fixed them all. We got all of our NFTs back to our original owners, and the project is live again. So come and get the insane utility value out of having a Thirst NFT, but also just be part of the Thirst Club. I'm so stoked for all of you guys to get a Thirst NFT and to be a part of this deeper Thirsty Nation community.